with you some paper crafting ideas for our Spooky Sparkles collab, which is hosted by Sparkle by Monica right here on YouTube. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave you with her link and the link of everyone participating in this collab in the description area of my YouTube video. What I decided to make, and I did show this a couple of weeks ago, I believe, a memory dex card that I made using watercolor paper, and the paper collection that I have used on all of these three projects and the paper collection that I will be giving away is called En Vogue, and that is by me, Decorate Your Life, that you can find in my website, decorateyourlife.com. And I will leave you with a link to that in the description area of my YouTube video. So I decided to use a die from my stash. It is a Becca Feekin die, and I went ahead and added it to a memory dex card base that I made with watercolor paper. As you can see, this is what the back looks like. I did use watercolor paper for this memory dex card to make it more sturdy. I love using that with die cuts, especially intricate die cuts such as these, so that it makes it more sturdy. The flourishes that you see here are also by Spellbinders, and I just use little items here and there from my stash, and I think it looks so cute, so super cute. So this makes for a really cute memory dex card. As you can tell, it is mounted with foam right along here to give some depth to and definition to my memory dex card. This is just a regular shaped frame die. Yeah, you can basically use any shaped die, your favorite die that you have, to make your memory dex card, so long as you make a good base for it and just attach it to the back. You know, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and die cut another piece of the frame base and adhere it to the back so that it won't show this, but I'm not going to do that. So anyways, this is part of my giveaway, the memory dex card, and it says forever in our memory. Okay, so you can very well put a picture of your favorite pet, artist, whatever, friend right along there. And so another thing that I made for this collaboration, Halloween collaboration, that's sparkly. I don't think it's very spooky. I did the witch as a spooky element to it, but it's really not. It's more sparkly than anything else. Okay, I used the beautiful box Caddie dies by Anna from My Creative Designs, and I believe that's the, let me check the website real quick. Oh, it's My Crafting World Designs. I'll go ahead and leave you with her link in the description area of this video. Sub to her channel and check out her website and let her know that Sandy sent you. Okay, it is My Crafting World Designs, and she's right here in Texas. And so, yeah, a fellow Texan. So I decided to purchase this from her, and it came out so utterly beautiful. And once again, I used papers from En Vogue by Decorate Your Life, and there was a lot of die cutting here, and I did use watercolor paper for the base of this beautiful project, so that way it's very sturdy, as you can see. And this is what the bottom looks like. At the bottom, I went ahead and used scraps from another paper collection called Jane, which is also on my website, and I will link you to that collection in the description area below. And I've been told, those who have used Jane in conjunction with En Vogue, Jane is a very good complement to the En Vogue pumpkin paper collection. So I went ahead and pretty much used almost all of the dies to this Caddie project. And oh, this paper right here is from my gingham paper collection, and I will link you to that too. And this is I forget what it's called, cabochon, or not cabochon, it's well, it's from my stash, a jewelry piece from my stash, let's just say that. Okay, and along with bows from my stash and flat back pearls. And I use this is from Hobby Lobby that I bought ages ago on clearance. I purchased a whole roll of it, and I'm so glad that I did, because it just emphasizes the elegance of this paper collection. And you will be able to see pictures of everything in right after this video towards the end. Okay, so, and for their feet, I went ahead and I wanted to use the actual feet that you see like at Hobby Lobby and Amazon and everything, but because it has 2, 4, 6 feet, that was a little bit more than what I wanted to spend on this project. And I thought to myself, Sandy, just use what you have. So I looked around, and I have these big beads that I normally use in my beaded pens, and so I went ahead and used those as feet, and I think that works very well. It's really cute, really pretty, very elegant, and I love the way this came out, you know. And so I went ahead and made a beaded pen. One night I was in the mood to make beaded pens, and so I went ahead and did that. Since this is primarily gold taupe and black and white colors, I did this in yellow because I was out of the golden beads by the time I made this pen for. And this opens just like this, and this is brand new. I made a whole bunch of brand new pens, so yeah, this is brand spanking new. And I went ahead and put it on here. This is part of the giveaway. And I also made this wand, a Halloween wand with this witch. And these dies back here are from Heartfelt Creations. And this right here is a witch die that I got from Temu a long time ago. And I will go ahead and leave you with a coupon code for Temu that offers you 50% off your first time purchase if you use my code. So that is really, really great. And the rest are just, I did using my scraps. The rest are these rosettes. And this was also using another one of my die cuts. And this popped out from one of the dies that I was die cutting, from one of the shapes that I was die cutting, and I decided to just embellish the broom right along there. So this is the spooky parts from our Spooky Spells collab. Okay, so the last project that I made for our Halloween collab is this right here. And I just got this idea from some of the comments that I've received, some of the text messages and comments that I've received from customers who have purchased this collection or any other of my collections. You know, a lot of times people say they are so beautiful, the papers are so beautiful, that I just want to frame it. It looks like I should just frame it and not cut into it. So I took that cue from y'all who've been great supporters of my paper collection and are always there to see what comes out next. And so what I did was I cut this piece and I just mounted it on gold mirror cardstock, and then on just plain black cardstock, and then on watercolor paper as a work of art. And so what I also did was I included a Swarovski, I think, I don't know how you pronounce it, I may be wrong, Swarovski crystal right along there, and a kind of like copper tone flat back pearl right there. I also added some Wink of Stella, but you can barely tell. And so, yeah, this is part of the giveaway, and along with the stand. And you also get these that go inside. Well, you can use them wherever, but these are going to go in here of my desk caddy. I just love it. It's so beautiful. And you're also going to get the Memory Decks card along with that. And you are going to get also the paper collection, 1 pack of the paper collection. And my giveaway is open for U.S. residents for the physical items. And if my winner happens to be from overseas, I can go ahead and email you the digital printable copy so that you can download it and print it in the comfort of your own home. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you so very much for watching. Remember to visit Anna, for her beautiful dies. And yeah. And the next person in the hub is Monica. She is Spark by Monica. You will find everybody's links in the description area underneath this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, be a visible subscriber, and leave me a nice, meaningful comment so you can be entered in my giveaway. Okay? I'll see you once again real soon. Bye.